Hey friends, I'm back with another video, and this week I'm sharing the recipe for sweet corn pudding. This scrumptious dessert celebrates the amazing flavors of sweet summer corn. Join me in this short video and I'll walk you through this easy recipe. For the ingredients have fresh corn, water, pandan leaves, sugar, salt, tapioca pearls, and yellow food coloring. Starting with the pandan leaves, cut into sections and then tie into a bundle. Remove the husk from the corn. Brush off the silk, or simply pluck the strands. Rinse the corn with cold water and pat dry with paper towels. With a sharp paring knife, run it along the length of the corn, thinly slicing the kernels. Thinly sliced corn will give the pudding a more delicate texture than whole kernels. Continue slicing the corn until you get to the cob. Toss with your fingers to separate the corn. Break both cobs in half and transfer into a medium saucepan. Add the pandan leaves and water. Cover the pan and bring to a boil over high heat. Once it comes to a boil, give everything a quick stir. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 10 minutes. During this time, soak the tapioca pearls in hot water. After 10 minutes, remove the pandan leaves and cobs and discard. Add the sliced corn, sugar, and salt and bring to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to medium and cook for 3 minutes. Skim off any foam. Drain the tapioca pearls and add into the pot. Stir gently, cooking for another 5 minutes or until the tapioca pearls float to the top. At this time, the pudding is still a bit soupy, but it will thicken as it cools. Add the yellow food coloring and combine well. This is an optional step, but definitely brightens the color. Transfer the pudding to a bowl and let cool for 15 minutes. The sweet corn pudding can be enjoyed warm or cold. During the summer months, I love having this pudding chilled. Simply refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. After the pudding has had a chance to cool, it's thickened up really nicely. If you prefer a thicker pudding, reduce the water or add more tapioca pearls. To serve the sweet corn pudding, transfer a generous amount into a bowl. Top with sweet coconut sauce. I shared this recipe earlier, so please see my channel for the video. Finally, add roasted sesame seeds. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you try this recipe and share your comments with me. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.